VT Commodore SS 99 model. You want to come and have a look at it? Or? It's got some marks all over it. Let's have a swipe here. It's not dented, probably buff out. It's got a scratch along here. The door's got a bit of a fade on the top, the handle. A little mark here. We'll be putting four brand new tyres on it when it sells. Front bar's got some stone chips. Got another scratch here, Pat. That'll actually buff out, that's actually paint on top of that. Little marks there. Scratch here. The car's got little scratches all over. It's got a dent here. See that dent? More stone chips on the rear bar. That petrol flap's missing. That flap's missing. Okay. Two dents up here. And it's got heaps of rego, wait. Next year rego. As you can see in the interior, it's got some, whoever owned it was a smoker. It's got some cigarette burns. There. Passenger was a smoker too. Back seats are really clean. They obviously didn't have a family. Back seat looks like it hasn't been used. Got air conditioning. Stereo's not working. The stereo's not working. Don't know why. Hasn't got a Gen 3, it's just a standard 308. It's the Series 1. ABS brakes, as you can see, engine runs perfect. They normally do anyway, there's always a good car. Yeah, I like it. Car drives excellent, automatic transmission changes real good, plenty of power, brakes work good, everything is working great now.